Do you or a coworker suffer from a leaky funnel? Are you embarrassed by lower than normal inbound conversion rates? Have you tried quitting spreadsheets in the past, but are unable to break the habit? Then ask a piper today about getting a demo of Chili Piper, the only revenue team approved solution proven to increase your inbound conversions and accelerate revenue. Studies have shown Chili Piper can stop your funnel from leaking as soon as you launch. Customers have experienced a 50% increase in conversion rates, while others reported feeling a greater sense of freedom after quitting spreadsheets.
Hi, I'm Dr. Barrows, and I prescribe Chili Piper to all of my clients, and so should you.
Side effects of using Chili Piper include but are not limited to having a spicier outlook on life, long-lasting euphoria from exceeding quota, getting promoted, booking more qualified meetings, an overall sense of bliss while your CRM is automatically populated, increased pipeline, and crying tears of joy. Talk to a piper today about a Chili Piper plan that's right for you.